Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a PS4 controller to your PC without Steam. First, ensure your computer has Bluetooth. Then, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the light bar flashes rapidly. Finally, open your PC's Bluetooth settings, find the wireless controller, and click to connect. This simple method gets you gaming quickly. For a reliable, zero-latency connection, simply use a standard micro USB cable. Plug one end into your PS4 controller and the other into an available USB port on your PC. Your operating system should automatically detect and install the necessary drivers, recognizing the controller instantly. This wired approach is perfect for competitive gaming or when you prefer not to deal with wireless pairing, offering a stable and consistent experience. To unlock advanced features and ensure broader game compatibility, consider using DS4 Windows. Download this free application from its official website. Once installed, DS4 Windows emulates an Xbox 360 controller, making your PS4 controller compatible with almost any PC game. You can customize button mappings, adjust trackpad sensitivity, and even change the light bar color, giving you complete control over your gaming experience. If you encounter issues, first try updating your PC's Bluetooth drivers for optimal performance. Always ensure your PS4 controller is fully charged before connecting. If problems persist, a quick restart of both your PC and the controller often resolves minor glitches. For wired connections, using a high-quality micro USB cable can prevent connectivity drops, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted gaming session every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.